Hello. Faster, bigger, better are expectations that are all too familiar, right? What really gets to me is when people have become so brainwashed that they start thinking they have no right to have a personal life. Many people feel the pressure of daily challenges. Are there small steps you can take to feel better or even happy with yourself? Of course, and I would like to help you get started. Number 1, focus on what you can control. If it's outside of your control, stop worrying about it. Why waste so much mental energy on something you can't control? Number 2, incorporate moments of joy. To do this, you first need to explore what gives you joy. Is it interacting with coworkers, taking a walk, stretching, or grabbing a coffee? Personalizing your workspace or listening to your favorite song? Taking a 20-minute lunch nap in your car? Whatever it is, it has to bring you joy. Number 3, learn to set boundaries. Wow, this is a big one and definitely worth exploring. All you can do every day is your best, but you cannot do everything. If you develop the ability to say no, you will be able to say yes to things that are truly important to you. You spend a lot of time working and you deserve to feel good. Remember, the quality of your life depends on where you live emotionally, and this will be a good start. As Mahatma Gandhi used to say, happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.